Hi guys, this is Guru once again, giving you another G-Shock unboxing, and today we're gonna be doing this super rare limited piece right here. I know some of you guys already know what's inside the moment you saw the box. If you're familiar with this box, I guess you already have an idea what is inside. So let's check out this box right here. Really nice piece. As you can see guys, there's no sticker outside the box, there's no model number or anything. So this one is Casio 3230 module. It's a DW6900 Marlboro Ice Blast. This is manual and everything. Let's see what's inside. This is the, of course, as you all know, Japan unit usually comes with this special clamshell type of box right here. Here it is guys. Very nice piece. This is the DW6900 Marlboro Ice Blast. It's a very rare piece. This actually was not sold. You cannot buy this anywhere. It is exclusively launched in Japan during a Marlboro event. I guess it's a promotion of the, I don't know, maybe it's a flavor of the cigarette, certain flavor Ice Blast. I'm not sure because I don't smoke. Here is the backplate guys. Module number 3230 DW6900FS. It's all Japan. As you can see, everything is Japan. I have done research, and I believe this watch is a promotional item during a Marlboro event, and I was able to get this watch from a friend who is working at Japan at the time of the launch. He was lucky enough to win this very beautiful piece right here and keep it ever since. It is brand new, old stock, and he decided to sell it to me. It comes in matte black finish and this icy blue detailings on the letters, on the wordings, G-Shock. We have a gray G button right here. Here is the strap. It's very nice detail. Very rare piece. I really love the colorway, the way the blue, icy blue color pops out over the matte black finish. Marlboro logo. So let's check out the backlight guys. Let me turn off the lights for you. Here it is guys, the backlight of the watch. Very nice. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about this very rare piece and nice looking watch. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.